heard your voice. Like a light in the darkness, your love flooded in and filled up every void. I didn't have the words, but I just knew as long as